until the captain turns off the seatbelt sign. Smoking is still not permitted. Mobile receiving and transmitting functions may now be used. Once on the ramp, please do not smoke, use headsets or cell phones until inside the terminal building. Please stay within the markings while walking to the terminal and follow the instructions of the airport staff. If you need any help, just remain seated. We'd be happy to help you once the aisles have cleared. Thank you for choosing Air Canada Express, member of Star Alliance, for your travels today. We hope you've had a pleasant flight and look forward to seeing you again soon.